Hey everyone, let's talk about drainage patterns. They're super important in geography. Basically, they show us how water flows across the land. This helps us understand where water is, what kind of soil we have, and even what plants and animals live in a place. India has lots of different landscapes, so studying drainage patterns here is really interesting. India's rivers are split into two main groups, Himalayan and Peninsular. Himalayan rivers start high up in the snowy Himalayas. They get their water from melting glaciers and rain. These rivers flow all year round. Peninsular rivers, on the other hand, mostly come from the Western Ghats and the Deccan Plateau. They rely on monsoon rains and sometimes dry up when it doesn't rain. The Himalayan rivers are huge. The Ganges, a holy river for Hindus, starts in the Gangotri Glacier and flows through the Gangetic Plains, where lots of crops grow. The Brahmaputra from Tibet meets the Ganges in Bangladesh, making the world's biggest delta. The Indus starts near Lake Manasarovar and flows through northwest India. People have lived along the Indus for a very long time. These rivers are important for farming, transportation, and culture. Peninsular rivers are smaller than Himalayan rivers, but they're super important for South India. The Godavari, sometimes called the Ganges of the South, is the longest peninsular river. It goes through Maharashtra, Telangana, and Andhra Pradesh. The Krishna is another big river that helps farmers grow food. The Kaveri is really pretty and flows through Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Sometimes these states argue over who gets to use its water. These rivers are important for farming, making electricity, and giving water to cities. A drainage basin is like a big bathtub. All the water on the land flows to one spot like a river or lake. India has many drainage basins. The Ganga-Brahmaputra basin is the biggest and covers the Gangetic Plains where lots of food grows. The Indus basin in western India is dry. The Godavari, Krishna and Mahanadi basins are in the Deccan Plateau. These basins affect how much water we have, how good the soil is, and what kinds of plants and animals live there. India's rivers are really important for the country. They give us water for farms, factories, and our homes. We can also use them to make electricity and travel by boat. But our rivers face problems like pollution, using too much water, and building dams. These things can hurt the environment and how people live. We need to take care of our rivers so we have enough water now and in the future.